guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Sephora Play. If you guys don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $10 a month, and then you get, I think it's 4 or 5 items. These are trial size items, but the retail value is over $60. That was a really loud motorcycle. So it is over $60. So you pay 10 bucks and you get products for the price of over 60 bucks. So I did have a Lure beauty box that was $15 a month, but I actually did cancel that just because that was a lot of skincare products and I wanted to try something different. So I thought, hey, why not try a Sephora box? You guys know I love Sephora, so why not? So I have the box that they gave me. This is the first box that they did send me in the mail. Then Sephora was doing one of their like beauty insider code thingies, and then I actually did get a second box. This actually came in my Sephora order, and this was free. So it was, I don't know if it was a limited time only thing, but I did get this free. So I was like, hey, why not just do an unboxing? I can't do a full face with this because there are skincare items in here, there are hair care, and just some makeup, so it's not something for a full face, but I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what was in here and if it's actually worth your money. So this is no way sponsored by Sephora. I don't have affiliate link with them. I don't have coupon code. I don't have anything. I don't even have a referral code, I don't think. So this is just me wanted to show you guys another box and see if this box is worth it for y'all. But before we jump into this video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. Also, please hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you get notified every single time I post a video, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like monthly subscription boxes, especially unboxings of them. Leave me a comment down below what other boxes are you guys subscribed to. Let me know. I love monthly subscription boxes or just subscription boxes in general, so let me know what you guys have, and who knows, maybe I'll sign up. But without further ado, let's just jump right on into this video, guys. Alright, so first I'm just going to open up the first box that I got that I did pay for from Sephora. So this is what it looks like, and it does say show off and share using Sephora Play hashtag. So it comes with a little paper, and then you do get like beauty insider points, which is really exciting. So in this, oh, it's like a little poster. That's really cute. So it says greetings from Play, and then it just tells you what you got in the box and I think how to use it. Yeah, so that's actually really interesting. So it comes in a little pouch like this. This is just a plastic pouch that I think you could just throw out or reuse. Recycle, guys, recycle. So okay, so I actually got 6 items in this box. I don't know if it's because this was like my first box from them, but I'm not complaining. Okay, so first thing I got is a Bite Beauty lipstick. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. They are so long lasting. They're not matte. They just look really, really good on this lips. This is the color. This is the color Chai. So it either came in Ride or Chai, and this is a hydrate your lips while you serve looks with this weightless ultra pigmented formula with 12 edible oils. So that's really interesting. So all you do is just swipe it on your lips, and or you can use a brush for a more subtle look. But let me, ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. I don't know how, this isn't really summery, but that's a really, really pretty color. This is definitely one of my colors. So the next thing that I did get, this is a Lancome Partner in Crime. This is a super enhancing mascara base. I actually never use mascara bases, so I'm really excited to test this out. It is infused with microfiber and vitamin E. It is a primer which improves your mascara's performance, producing darker, longer, and more voluminous lashes. Plus it doubles as a nurturing lash mask at night. So all you do is you just use this as a regular mascara, like a regular mascara. So you coat it from the base of your lashes all the way to the top, and then follow with mascara before the primer dries down for a nice smooth finish. So really excited to try this out. Then I also did get, this is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Dream Cream. Do I have this? Yeah, so I have this already. I have the bigger version of this. I think I got this in a Boxy Luxe. I got this in something. And now I just have the little baby size. This is a coconut infused body cream that delivers intense hydration for 72 hours. It does come with a little cover, but this smells so good. I really do love the scent of this. So it is serve your tropical vibes with this coconut sugar kapuki. I don't know if I said that right. That draws moisture out of the air into your skin with a delightful, warm, buttery scent. So all you do is you just lather this all over your body after a shower or whenever you need some more moisture. So I'm a huge fan of this. I really do love this. And the next thing I got is, this is the Yes Clean Tarte Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser Rainforest of the Sea. That is a mouthful to say, but oh, it smells pretty good. So this is a brightening daily cleanser that removes waterproof makeup. This is perfect, especially for, I usually use Neutrogena makeup wipes, but this is great for getting like eyeliner that doesn't want to come off your eyes. This is really good. So this is packed with vitamin C, marine plant extract, and it is a hydrating gel cleanser that gently removes impurities while reducing the look of fine line and wrinkles. So all you do is massage a pearl size amount into your wet skin and you rinse. So I'm really excited to test that out. Then the next thing I got, this is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. So I actually just ordered something from Moroccan Oil. So I got the actual oil and I just put it in my hair today because I did dye my hair blonde and it just needs some extra like hydration and stuff like that. So this is what that looks like. This is a great travel size. I really do like this. So this is a leave-in conditioning spray that cares for and protects strands from pollution. So this is everyday environmental stresses threaten your hair, but this antioxidant packed formula prevents strands from color fade while attempting major shine. So all you do is spray evenly through towel dried hair and comb before styling. So this is really great actually. Then the last thing I got, this is the month's bonus. I didn't even know they did that, but this is a perfume. And I already sprayed perfume, so I don't want to spray this on myself, but let me see. Ooh. This smells really light. This smells very light. So this is a Victor and Rolf Salty Flower perfume. This is a bouquet of flower mingles with musk and ambrette accord to create a clean, magical fragrance. So the family notes on here are warm and spicy, pink pepper, Belengian rose, and musk accord. So I feel like this is actually, ooh, that actually smells really good. I don't know why it just got stronger, but this is actually a really interesting box. I usually hate travel size items. I have to say I'm usually not a fan of them because with all my makeup, they kind of just always fell through the cracks and I always forgot about them. But now that I actually have Alex stores, I can see all of my makeup and I feel like I'm actually going to be using a lot of these, so I'm really excited to test out all these goodies for 10 bucks. It's not that bad. If you don't like travel size, you might not like this, but it kind of reminds me of Ipsy just because Ipsy did a lot of travel size products. So I'm not hating. Then I'm going to open up the free one that I got. Again, it was a code. If they still have the code up and going, I will link it down below. If not, then I'm sorry, but you missed out. But if you guys want, follow me on Twitter and I will start like updating and using Twitter more just so I can keep you guys posted about certain sales that are going on. So definitely follow me on Twitter. I'm going to leave my information up here and then I'm also going to leave it down below in the description box. So please give me a follow. So again, it is packaged the same exact way. It comes with this and a little pamphlet thing. Again, this comes with 50 insider points, which I'm really happy about. And this is what this looks like. So this theme is Beauty and Bloom. So this is all spraying stuff. Oh, I actually didn't even notice. So it kind of gives you like little facts too, which is really interesting, like right here. So that's awesome. So I'm first going to start with this. This is a NARS bronzer. And this is in the shade Laguna. This is a cute little travel bronzer. I think this is adorable. I have one NARS bronzer, not this one, but I didn't really like it. I feel like there wasn't a lot of color payoff and I was digging my brush in there, but this actually isn't bad. I really like that color. Sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. So this is a bronzing powder in Laguna. It is a buildable bronzing powder that delivers a natural radiant look with a soft shimmering finish. And all you do is use a brush and sweep it from the temples across the cheeks and along the jawline. Spring has just arrived, so you're probably still working on that natural sun-kissed radiance. Until you get it, this bronzer has you covered and is ideal for adding warmth to your complexion and for contouring. So you guys know I love bronzers. I'm a huge bronzer lover, so I'm really excited to test this out. The one NARS bronzer, like I said, that I have, I really don't like, so hopefully this one is a lot better. So I'm excited to try this out. Then I did get the Urban Decay. This is the eyeshadow primer potion. I've used this before. This is just the original shade. I actually don't know how much I like this anymore. And I'm just saying because this was my holy grail for the longest time. And it wasn't creasing or anything like that. But then I realized that after about like 10 hours of wear, my eyeshadow would start creasing, and sometimes I put my makeup at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I don't get home until 10 o'clock in the evening, so kind of want my eyeshadow to just stay on a little bit better. So this was actually creasing on me a little bit more than usual, so I did switch my primers. But this is actually a great primer if you're not oily, or if you're not wearing it for that long. This is actually really, really good. So this is a primer for your eye look that ensures a vibrant, crease-free color in 24-hour wear. So this is feel confident with your eyeshadow is on point all day long with this priming potion that preps lids for a long day wear looks. It glides on smooth, works with all skin tones, and dries invisible. And all you do is take this, add it to your eyelids, and then just blend it in before you apply your eyeshadow. This actually isn't really a miss for me, but it's not one of my favorites. The next thing that I got, this is the Everything Under the Sun Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. This is an invisible, lightweight, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. So this is a innovative sunscreen that uses oil-free formula that easily glides onto skin. Plus it provides shine control and delivers a velvety makeup gripping finish. Ooh, that's interesting. Does it smell like sunscreen? It had me at like it provides an oil-free finish. Ooh, it's clear. It doesn't smell like sunscreen, but it smells like something. It feels really silicone-y kind of. It doesn't smell like sunscreen, but it feels really nice. It feels like really soft. I like that. So then the next thing that I got, this is the Diva Curl. This is the Low Poo Delight Mild Lather Cleanser. So this is a mild lather shampoo for wavy hair that delivers weightless moisture and body. I'm really excited to test this out because you guys know this is my natural hair. It's still wet, but this is my natural hair. I do have wavy hair, so I'm really excited to test this out. So this is a spring must-have because this balanced lightweight formula that cleanses the scalp and controls frizz is ideal for wavy hair. The lotus flower delivers bouncy strands while the flaxseed extract blends defines the waves. So how it works, wet your hair and massage the cleanser into your scalp with your fingertips before rinsing. So I'm really excited to test these out. I feel like a lot of this is actually great stuff to actually put on my blog so I can kind of do more empties and stuff like that for you guys. So another thing that I have, this is the Amika Spring is in the Hair Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. So this is a quick no rinse cleanser that is the perfect match for your second day hair. It leaves strands soft, smooth, volumized, plus the scent is oh so fresh. So you shake the spray, hold it about 10 to 12 inches away from your hair, and then apply it from the roots and then brush it down. So I've heard so many people talk about this. I actually just washed my hair, so I don't want to use it, but oh, it smells really good. It smells really florally. I really do like that scent. Then this is another bonus. I guess for bonuses they do samples of perfumes, but this is the Moschino. I hope I said that right. This is the Hit the Ring Note. I have a different Moschino perfume. It is like another like trial size, and it's not that bad. It kind of reminds me of the other one is in like literally looks like a Windex bottle, so oh, not bad. Okay, so this fresh and joyful scent is also feminine, while opening notes of mandarin and lang lang. I don't know what that is, but this is a modern brand, and this is a floral family. It has the scent of mandarin, raspberry, and cedarwood, so it smells really good. But that is all that I got from these two boxes. I have to say, I actually am really excited to test out a lot of these products. Like I said, certain things like this I could throw on my blog. I feel like bronzer, I wanted to try a new bronzer. You guys know how obsessed I am with bronzer. So I want to see if this is actually worth the shot. I feel like trial sizes, now that I can see all of my stuff, is actually handy for me. And that is just because I can really test everything out before I buy the bigger version. So I'm really not mad that I got a lot of these things. I feel like, especially the hair stuff like this, I really like, and I also really do like little lipsticks. So I'm really excited to test out all of these products. Stay tuned for my blog. If you guys are not following my blog, I'm going to leave my blog right here, and then I'm also going to leave it down in the description box below. So please give me a follow on there so you can see updates on all of these products. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do like these types of videos, please. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. And then also, please do not forget to leave me a comment down below. What subscription boxes do you guys have? Let me know. I'm always on the hunt for new ones. But I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!